So 35% of 57 is the same as 35% of 50 plus 35% of 7. Over here, this is my 100%. This is 50. 50 is 100%. Over here, this is 7. 7 is 100%. Now you'll notice that my 1 in here is the little white block. And that means I've got 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 here. But over here, my 1 is actually the orange block, which makes my little white block 1/10. Okay, so we're defining our 1 over here as the white block. Over here, we're defining our 1 as the orange block, which makes our 10th this. So our 1 is the white block, this is 10. Our 1 is the orange block, this is 1/10. Okay, very important that you see that we're using a different unit for 1 in each of these. This is 1 here, this is 1 here. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? 100% of 50 is 50. 100% of 7 is 7. But we don't want to know about 100%. We only want to know about 35%. So 10%, 20%, 30%, 35%. Okay, well, what is that of 50? It means that we're just going to take all of this, this, and half of that. Well, that's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, and half more. You'll notice that this is a little half block. It's just a unit block cut in half. Well, it's a white block cut in half. Let's not say unit because it depends what our unit is. In this case, the white is a unit, but over here it's not. So it's a little white block cut in half. So we have 17.5 right here. Let's just move that up. That's 17.5. 35% of 50 is 17.5. Now we want to look at 35% of 7. So remember, this is our unit now, making this 1/10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We don't want to know about 100% of 7. We want to know about 35%. So 10, 20, 30, 35%. Well, we need to take all of this, all of that, and then just half of that. Okay, now keep in mind that the little white block is a 10th. So we have 7/10 times 3, so 21/10, 22/10, 23/10, 24/10, 24.5/10, which we're going to rearrange so we can see it just a little better. We're going to try and fill up our units here. So there's 7/10 of a unit. There's 1 whole unit. Okay. Then we've got another 7/10 of a unit. This doesn't quite fit, so let's substitute these blocks for that. Now we know that that will fit. Well, we got 2 whole ones there. And we've got this much of another whole one, which is 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10.5. So 1 whole one, 2 whole ones, 2 whole ones, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4/10 plus 1/2, which is the same as 5/100. So 2.45. Well, now you can add that together. We've got 17.5 plus 2.45. Well, that's 19. Right, 19 units, and then 5/10 and 4/10 is 9/10, and we could put a 0 here if we want 0 hundredths and 5/100. 19.95.